10 reasons why lifelong learning is essential for business success. In this video, we'll explore 10 reasons business and lifelong learning need to go hand in hand, illustrating how continuous growth and learning can significantly improve your professional and personal life. 1. The world is ever-changing. We live in unprecedented change, with many experts claiming we are in the midst of the next industrial revolution, mainly driven by advancements in artificial intelligence, AI, robotics, and other cutting-edge technologies. For business leaders and professionals, this constant change demands adaptability. Businesses that fail to evolve risk becoming obsolete as newer, more innovative companies take their place. To keep up, you must embrace a mindset of continuous learning. For example, AI tools such as ChatGPT or image generation software are transforming the design, marketing, and customer service industries. Learning to use these tools positions you as an innovator effectively and ensures your business remains competitive in a fast-changing world. 2. Lifelong learning helps you stay ahead of the curve. In business, staying ahead of the curve is critical. This means anticipating changes, understanding trends, and preparing for challenges before they arise. Lifelong learning equips you with the skills and knowledge to navigate these complexities. 3. Learning can improve your business. Learning isn't just a personal growth strategy. It directly benefits your business. When you acquire new skills, you can implement innovative solutions and explore new opportunities that might have been out of reach. For example, at Mondoro, I've embraced tools like Shaper3D, Procreate, and Blender to enhance design workflows. 4. It builds resilience and adaptability. Businesses often face unexpected challenges, from economic downturns to shifts in consumer behavior. Successful entrepreneurs can adapt and thrive under these conditions. Lifelong learning helps you develop resilience by keeping your skills sharp and your mindset flexible. For example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, many businesses had to pivot to digital solutions almost overnight. Those who had invested in learning digital tools or online marketing strategies could adapt quickly, while others struggled to catch up. 5. Lifelong learning boosts creativity. Creativity is the lifeblood of innovation in business, and continuous learning fuels that creativity. Exposing yourself to new ideas, tools, and perspectives opens up possibilities for problem-solving and innovation. For instance, learning a new software program like Blender or experimenting with digital art tools like Procreate can spark fresh ideas that transform your business. Even learning about unrelated fields, such as psychology or sustainability, can inspire innovative approaches to your work. 6. It enhances leadership skills. As a business leader, your ability to inspire and guide others is closely tied to your willingness to learn. Lifelong learning improves your technical skills and enhances your emotional intelligence, communication abilities, and strategic thinking. For example, taking leadership, negotiation, or conflict resolution courses can help you manage teams more effectively. When employees see their leaders actively engaged in learning, it creates a culture of growth and inspires others to follow suit. 7. It keeps you relevant. Staying relevant is a constant challenge in a competitive job market. Employers and clients always seek professionals who bring fresh perspectives and up-to-date skills. By committing to lifelong learning, you ensure that your expertise remains valuable. For example, industries like marketing and design have seen seismic shifts with the rise of AI-driven analytics and automation tools. Staying relevant in these fields means continually updating your knowledge and skills to align with the latest advancements. 8. Technology is transforming every industry. No matter your industry, technology is reshaping business. From AI and machine learning to cloud computing and the Internet of Things, IoT, staying informed about technological trends is essential. For instance, retail businesses leverage augmented reality, AR, to enhance customer experiences, while manufacturers adopt robotics to streamline production. Learning about these technologies allows you to capitalize on new opportunities and future-proof your business. At Mondoro, we've embraced technology for design, collaboration, and project management. Using advanced tools has improved efficiency and opened up new ways to deliver value to clients. 9. Lifelong learning. Fosters a growth mindset. A growth mindset, the belief that abilities can be developed through dedication and effort, is a cornerstone of personal and professional success. Lifelong learning reinforces this mindset, helping you embrace challenges and view setbacks as growth opportunities. In business, a growth mindset fosters innovation, resilience, and collaboration. For example, learning from feedback, whether from customers or employees, can lead to meaningful improvements in your products or services. When you commit to lifelong learning, you're essentially saying, "I'm not done growing yet," which is a powerful motivator in any professional setting. 10. It prepares you for the future. The future is uncertain, but one thing is clear: change isn't slowing down. Whether it's AI, climate change, or shifting global economies, the challenges and opportunities of tomorrow will require new skills and perspectives. Lifelong learning is your ticket to staying prepared. By staying curious and proactive, you ensure you're ready to navigate whatever comes next. Whether that means adopting new technologies, entering new markets, or rethinking traditional business models. At Mondoro, continuous improvement and innovation are key to staying ahead. By embracing lifelong learning, you can ensure your business thrives in an ever-changing world. So ask yourself, what will you learn next? Find out more about how Mondoro can help you create, develop, and manufacture excellent home decor and home furniture products. Don't hesitate to contact me, Anita, at sales@mondoro.com. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.